You know, there's something unsettling that starts to happen to us as we age. Now, I don't consider myself old. My brain thinks I'm 19, 20 years old. My body's a little bit different, but I'm 54. And what I've noticed that started happening around me, and it's kind of unsettling, is you start seeing people that you know, friends, that pass away. I woke up this morning and I got dressed as usual, and I picked up my phone and I started looking at Facebook, and I was greeted with a message that a friend of mine who worked in emergency medical services, he worked with ambulances and whatnot for many years, had passed away. Now this guy was like a local legend when it comes to EMS in this county. I worked both fire department and police for many years, and it was always comforting when I saw him pull up on the scene, because I knew that whatever the medical emergency was, that he was going to be able to handle it. But it's really unsettling. This is not the first one in recent months that I've seen pass away. I know we're all getting older, it's all part of life. But when you start seeing in the obituaries people that you know, people that you were close to during your working years, that kind of changes your outlook on things. It definitely shows you that we need to be enjoying our life, because you never know when your time is up. Now, I didn't make this video to be morbid or sad or anything like that, but what I am saying is that once you cross that 50 mark, you start seeing people that you know they're passing away, and you start to analyze your life a little bit more and find out, I really need to enjoy my life a little bit more, because you know, I worked a lot of years, and work is not necessarily as gratifying as living your life. There's nothing worse than getting to a retirement age and finding out that, wow, I didn't do a lot of things that I really wanted to do. And for some people, it's very misfortunate that when they get there, their bodies are so broken and they're worn out, and they're not able to enjoy those things. Enjoy your life. It's very, very important. Don't just be a person who works all their life and takes on multiple overtime and doesn't do the things that they want to do, because like I say, you know, you even see in the obituaries young people that pass away. Like I say, we don't know when our time is. We have no idea. But don't get to the end and realize you missed some things, that you really wanted to do some other things. There's a lot of things in life that I would still like to do that I never got to do because I was working all the time. And there's things in life that I would like to do that I'll probably never get to do. But I'm definitely looking at my life a bit different. And I think you should too. Analyze your life. Find out what's important to you. Live the way that you would enjoy your life, and definitely don't end up at the end of it with a regret list. When you need, you know, there was an old saying that said, you know, you arrived at the pearly gates, slid in sideways, all beat up, wore out, torn up, but you lived your life. So make sure that you look at what you're doing, find out if you need to make some changes, because the last thing you want is not to have done what you wanted to do. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.